Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Hope all are safe and secure at your home and also doing your work regularly. Today we are going to start the chapter 3rd of history, that is farmers and the herders. Let us start. Chapter 3 of history, the farmers and the herders. In this chapter, students, we will study about the life of the early man during the Neolithic age, when the early man started agriculture and start living at one place and also start the herding of animals. Now the early men become the farmers and the herders. They make different type of houses which were found at different sites of the Neolithic age. Like you can see in this picture, mud houses in the Mehergarh. They are built in the shape of rectangle, and sometimes they also made the pit houses that we have find in the Burjom, another site of the Neolithic age. Pit houses means they made a pit in the earth and they have stairs to go down. And these were the tools that were used during the Neolithic age. And tools were made from a very small stone and sharp stone that is known as microlith. These were the different types of ornaments that were worn by the people of the Neolithic age. These were also made from the stone. And these type of pottery that we get the signs from the Mehergarh made by the Neolithic age people. Let us start today's work. Chapter 3 of History, Farmers and the Herders, the earlier societies. In this chapter, the students, we will study about the life of the early man during the Neolithic age. जैसा कि हमने पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि स्टोन एज 3 पीरियड्स में डिवाइडेड है, पैलियोलिथिक एज, मेसोलिथिक एज and the Neolithic age. And in this chapter we will study the life of the people during the Neolithic age, when the early man has discovered agriculture and what are the effects on their life after the discovery of agriculture. Students, you can see these puzzles, and these are the some names of the important places of the Neolithic settlements, and these places we have find the information about the early man during the Neolithic age, and you have to find out these places in this puzzle like this. You have to fill in your notebook. In the Neolithic age, this age was the period around 8000 to 4000 BCE. ये पीरियड 8000 से 4000 के बीच का पीरियड है. एंड दिस एज द ह्यूमन बीइंग, द अर्ली मैन, changed from the hunter and gatherer to farmer and the herders. Now the early man was no more a hunter. Hunter means who are hunting the animals, and gatherer means who gather the or collect the food, roots, nuts from the forest. Now he become farmers and herders. Now he came to know how to grow crops and how to tame or domesticated animals for different uses. Neolithic age. This age was when the people started taming animals and growing different crops, and we can get the sites or information from different sites like Mehergarh in Pakistan, Burjom in Kashmir, Dajoli heading in Assam, Brahmgiri in Karnataka, and Payamapalli in Tamil Nadu. These are the important places where we get the information about the Neolithic age. Agriculture. Now, when they discovered the agriculture, what were the effects of agriculture on their life? जब उन्होंने एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में जान लिया तो उनकी लाइफ पर क्या इफ़ेक्ट हुआ? एग्रीकल्चर चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द अर्ली मैन. एग्रीकल्चर ने अर्ली मैन की लाइफ को पूरी तरह बदल दिया. नाउ दे वर स्टार्ट लिविंग एट वन प्लेस and their settled life started. In the Stone Age, during Paleolithic age, they are moving from one place to another in search of food. Now, when they start doing agriculture, now they start living at one place because they have to look after the crops. And they start living at the places where they get the source of water, because for growing crops we need water. Crops को उगाने के लिए हमें पानी चाहिए. That's why उन्होंने अपने सेटल लाइफ रिवर बैंक्स के आसपास शुरू की. Agriculture revolution brought about many changes and improvement in the lifestyle of people. इस तरह लोगों की लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए और इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई. उन्होंने क्रॉप्स को उगाना शुरू किया और जो क्रॉप्स एक्स्ट्रा बच जाता था अनाज, उसको वो नेक्स्ट सीज़न के लिए अपने लिए सेव कर लेते थे, स्टोर करके रख लेते थे. एट सम प्लेसेस लाइक मेहरगढ़, दजोली हेडिंग, फार्मिंग वाज वेल developed and people grew barley and the wheat, and the main important crops that they grew during this Neolithic age were barley and wheat. Rearing of animals. Now they also start rearing of animals. Rearing of animals means उन्होंने animals को domesticate करना शुरू किया, means पालना शुरू कर दिया. The first animal, as we learn in the last chapter, that dog was the first animal tamed by the early man during the Mesolithic age. Now they start domesticate other animals like dogs, goats, sheep, cattle, horses, and the donkeys for the different uses. For example, goats and cattle provided milk, sheep provided wool, horses and donkeys were tamed as a beast of burden. As a beast of burden means बार उठाने के लिए काम में लाए जाते थे. Some animals also provided them meat. और कई एनिमल्स को वो इसलिए भी पालते थे कि उनका वो मीट यूज़ करते थे एज ए फूड. Clear? I hope you have understand about this. In the next lecture we will study about the Neolithic settlement in the Indian subcontinent and we will study about the society of Neolithic period. Thank you and have a nice day.